This is the trend section of the quest, and to do that you need a periodic table. So you want to know which is the in order of increasing size. Increasing means going from small to large. So you're looking at lithium, boron, and carbon. That'd be right here. Lithium, boron, carbon. Carbon, boron, lithium. Carbon, boron, lithium, aluminum, silicon, and chlorine. So there are a couple different ways to deal with this question. So if we look at this chart, lithium and boron and carbon are element 3, 5, and 6. So as you go from 3, right here, element 3, element 5, element 6, you can see the size is decreasing, so that will be the wrong answer. From carbon to boron to lithium, that is, you have to know that carbon is element number 6, boron is element number 5, lithium is element number 3. So as you go from 6 to 5 to 3 on this graph here, whatever I did with that graph, here it is. Oops, not there. So if we go from, let's see, carbon to boron to lithium, carbon, boron, lithium, well, I have to come back out and get my graph. Hang on. This is happening on the other screen, so just give me a moment here. By the way, this is in a section of Google Classroom that says periodicity test supplemental material. So there's my graph again. So carbon was 6, boron was 5, lithium was 3. So here's 6, 5, 3. Notice how they're getting bigger as you go to the left. Another place to figure that out would be on the little picture that we drew in class when we were trying to make our atomic radius graphs. And so I'll pull that in and show you really quickly. Let me rephrase that. I'll pull it in and show you, but it might not be really quickly. So this is the little graph I was going to show you. So from carbon's over here, boron's here, lithium's over here, so you can see they're getting bigger as you go to the left. All right. Number 2, which is smaller, sodium or sulfur? Well, you have to look at your regular periodic table. And once you do that, if you look at sodium versus sulfur, sodium's here, it's element number 11, sulfur's number 16 over here. So you could look either on the graph here, sodium's number 11 right there, sulfur's number 16. You could follow it through that way. Or you could use the picture graph, which looks like this, I hope. Nope, let's go back. So go to organic, nope, not there. The supplemental material, and go to this picture. So sodium is number 11, sulfur is number 16. So you can see that sodium is definitely larger. Okay, so which is smaller, sodium or sulfur? Would be sulfur. How does size change from bottom to top? Well, you can look at the graph with atomic numbers, or you can just look at this picture. From bottom to top, the size looks like it's getting, actually this says top to bottom, I misread that, not bottom to top, top to bottom. So top is smaller, bottom is bigger. So they get from small to large, they increase. And which is larger, P or Cl? Here's our picture. P is element number 15, Cl is number 17, so which is bigger? Or P is number 15, Cl is number 17 right here, which is bigger? Phosphorus is bigger. So both of our resources say it's phosphorus is bigger. No, not they're the same. Phosphorus is bigger. Okay, so then big atoms tend to lose electrons and small atoms tend to gain electrons. So which one of these is most likely to lose? You're looking for the biggest one. So if you look at oxygen, manganese, magnesium, and sulfur, here's oxygen, there's sulfur, manganese, magnesium. You want to find the biggest one. So it's going to be between manganese and magnesium. So then what you need to do probably to nail it down is go back to this, not that. Oh, this over here. So manganese is element 25, right there. Magnesium is element number 12. So it looks like manganese is going to be more likely to lose because it's bigger. So you want to pick the one that's bigger. Okay, now increasing size. I've got to pause right here for just a minute.